It's not easy. In fact, I find this conscious parenting is actually quite exhausting because you have to constantly think and not fall back on your first impulse and your first reflexes.
Because I don't have, many options. And अगर मेरे लिए किसी एक character से doors खुलते हैं, तो I'm very happy.
In the sense, I am, in talks with a platform to do a comedy series.
Most of the point of views are present here. So I want to know it from you guys. How do you guys look at the fixed work hours for actors debate?
You guys need headlines, so you manufacture these into public discussions, and it's not really your job to do that.
I do feel it's important. As we often disagree and we love discussions.
Hello and welcome to News 18. This is Shachi Chaturvedi, and today in conversation with me is the cast and the director of Search, the Naina murder case. Hi guys, welcome to News 18. How are you
Shachi.
all?
Very
Hi,
good.
Shachi. Thank you.
Thank you. So I have to say this, that I have watched the trailer and it is actually amazingly scary. तो I'm sure जब आपने आपने सीरीज साइन की होगी और आपने जब बनाने का सोचा होगा तो you guys must have done your research. So how difficult it was for all of you to read about the gruesome cases जो honestly होते हैं, and did you guys read about it?
Of course, it's in the news and it is something that shocks us each time. Unfortunately, it's a ongoing occurrence, but our idea was not to exploit that, but to show the emotional effects on the families, on everyone who's affected by it, and unravel a gripping whodunit, and that was the intention. But obviously, reflecting the times we're in, you draw the emotional connection from real life as well, for sure.
For Konkana, if I ask you, मैंने जब trailer देखा, when I watched the trailer, it unravels the social evils or the internet के जो evils हैं mainly. Being a mother in real life, how difficult it is for you to know that this exists?
I mean, I know it exists. I know it exists. I'm, aware of these social evils, and a lot of the social evils often arise from social injustices, which we also live with, and we're quite desensitized to it. क्योंकि वो superficially हम headlines देखते हैं और वो मतलब every time you can't, there's so much actually going on. If you want to find out, then there's a lot going on, but we don't really delve into क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, what is connected to what, what are the vested interests, and so many things, are involved. There are so many elements. So that is something which is a little disturbing. Even though this is not based on a real life case, but there are many such cases, of course. So this is something which, of course, deeply disturbs. I feel good to examine also. Why these things happen, how they arise. A lot of it is psychological, a lot of it is social injustices. It is very worrying and disturbing to see कि क्या हो रहा है बच्चों के साथ, in digital age में, what they are exposed to. In fact, often we don't even know. So definitely that is a concern of mine. Don't have any solutions yet.
ट्रेलर में there was this dialogue जो मैंने सुना कि बच्चे पेरेंट्स को सब नहीं बताते हैं सर, something along the lines, ऐसा कुछ डायलॉग था. How difficult it is to understand, मतलब I'm sure आपको पता ही होगा कि बच्चे शायद सब मॉम डैड को नहीं बताते हैं.
And especially strict parents को.
हाँ.
वो भी है ना ट्रेलर.
That's the dialogue.
हाँ, especially strict parents कहते हैं जितने strict parents उतने बिगड़े हुए बच्चे, ऐसा ही कुछ.
Or that they lie.
हाँ, or they lie, yeah. So how scary that part is कि क्या मुझे सब पता चल रहा है? Am I aware?
That part I feel is still a little bit in our control. Because one can choose, to be less strict or to create an environment where, the child is comfortable to share. Because कुछ ना कुछ तो होंगे ही, इतना कुछ चल रहा है school में, life में, जिंदगी में, tuitions में, classes में. There's a lot of older kids, मतलब teenagers, they have interaction with the outside world where you're not involved. Na? You're used to being involved till they're 10, 12, and then it's like, oh no, they're stepping out into the world. So that is definitely scary. You really have to train them. You have to be vigilant. And I don't know what is the point of just being strict, because what will happen is then children will just not tell you. you know, ki what challenges they are facing. I think the most important thing is connection. Not कि सब कुछ allow करो. Strict का opposite नहीं है कि आप सब कुछ allow करो, सब ठीक है भाई, जो आपका मन करे वो करो. But एक connection अगर हो, आप समझो कि क्यों बच्चे ये बोल रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, like what are the circumstances from which this is arising. It's not easy. In fact, I find this conscious parenting is actually quite exhausting because you have to constantly think and not fall back on your first impulse and your first reflexes.
All right. Surya, as an actor, when you shoot
Who is also a
for-
parent now.
Yes. Yes. As an
is very, yeah.
Your son is very young.
Imagine
Yeah.
social media in 10, 12 years. फिर वो-
Yeah.
I can't imagine it.
Maybe by then we will have fixed things.
Maybe.
Something.
Let's just hope.
Yeah.
Surya, as an actor and as a parent now, how difficult it is for you when you shoot for such a thrilling or maybe kahin scary show to cut off जब आप बाहर निकले.
With experience, I think वो आ ही जाता है कहीं ना कहीं because I've been part of many thriller shows and doing dark characters. So पहले जब start किया था उस time पे maybe I was struggling. I will not say I was struggling, but कहीं ना कुछ आपको ढूंढना पड़ता है in your journey to, you know, take a escape and come back to your normal life, personal life. And while shooting this show, वो लगता बहुत serious है, but offset it was not very serious. So I
Yeah.
really like working with him. Like he's a very funny and humorous guy.
Yes.
Same with
100% agree.
Yeah,
About
no,
both.
I think it's very, for me, I think different directors have different approaches, but for me, it's very important to keep it relaxed, especially when the material is like this. There's a lot of, uncomfortable things we're doing on camera. Once cut is called, I find it just helps focus, just relax for a few seconds, and then people know they come back into focus just as we're going to call action for the next thing. But in between, it's nice because you draw your energy. There's a lot of emotional energy they're expending on these moments, even if it's a reaction, whatever. It takes a lot. So I think that's my approach. I mean, there are people who like people to stay in, and it works for some actors, works for some units. But I find the kind of schedule we have, we're working intensely every day. So it's the best way to keep a good balance, you know.
But sir, to make a thriller when almost every second show is a thriller, how do you make sure that yours looks different, cater to bigger audience and stand the test of time?
Well, I think the looks different part, we've obviously got a wonderful format. One of the things that created this genre, almost this, female detective and a partner who go on this journey where many secrets come out from different parts of society. So that's there as far as the widest audience. Thankfully, we are on Jio Hotstar. There cannot be a wider audience for us. So I'm very confident that they will reach it to them. And the rest, I think the writing team has to take credit. They did a wonderful job adapting it. And then with each cast member coming on board, we kept making it, polishing it, our own show. And I think we just try to stay honest to what the characters are and just bring in that. It's there. We have to make sure that we can just interpret it correctly. When you're doing original work, it's even a little harder. You might second guess yourself, is this the right call? But having seen something that is already powerful, you can work with some confidence and still take risks and chances.
Wow. Konkana, when you are on a set, and you are an amazing director also, so
Thank you.
does the director Konkana ever try to influence the actor Konkana while shooting?
Oh, I don't think so. I've been an actor for so many years. I feel like that's my default. And it's only if I've actually written something and planned to direct it that I've even thought like that about it. You know, where I actually have the answers because I've imagined everything and I know how it's going to be. Then I look at it from that lens. You know, because when you're directing, you have to look at it from a very kind of a holistic point of view, from every character's point of view and even outside of the characters, right? At situations and events unfolding and what kind of an impact, one event sequentially over another, how that impacts a viewer. But I think as an actor, I'm quite, blinkered, and I'm just like, no, I mean, this is just like, this is how I'm seeing things and this is my point of view.
Okay.
So I don't always have like that kind of a
Because
thing.
we're
I don't think
talking
so.
about you being an actor and director, और मुझे अब मौका मिल गया है तो मैं पूछ लेती हूँ फट से. I am hearing that you are directing a South Delhi comedy show. That is true?
This was a report which came out, which I've actually not commented on, and it's not something that we have actually published. It's just come out, so it's not entirely accurate.
Okay.
In the sense, I am in talks with a platform to do a comedy series, but it's not South Delhi.
Okay.
And it's a little far away, so I feel like maybe now is not the time to discuss
100%,
it yet.
100%. So yeah, if I talk to you about, you just said कि आपने काफी सारे thriller shows किए हैं. Do you feel जब कोई भी एक thriller show या कोई भी एक show for that matter जिसमें एक actor है becomes a massive success like अनदेखी, do you think कि actor को बहुत आगे it opens doors for more work, or do you think it typecasts the actor?
In my case, I think वो एक advantage है मेरे लिए, because I don't have many options, and अगर मेरे लिए किसी एक character से doors खुलते हैं तो I'm very happy. Typecast करने आप कर दीजिए, I'm okay with it.
So you're okay with
Very
typecast?
nice
I just want to
expression.
work.
Yeah.
Like मेरे लिए काम करना सबसे ज़्यादा important है, and I'm doing it, and I think you will see me in a very different character.
Yeah, I don't think it's the genre. It's not even the genre is similar, because Andekhi is a very different pulse, and thinking this has a very different mood, and the characters are so different. So
Yeah.
I don't think as an actor, I don't think there's any typecasting happening. He's
Seriously,
playing.
even ये सिर्फ maybe casting उसमें चलता होगा कि typecast है, but directors, they are not seeing actors like that at all. मतलब मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना है कि अरे यार तुम्हें तो टाइपकास्ट किया हुआ है, नहीं, nothing like that.
No.
If they like you, they'll work with you.
I have heard something, there's something called writer's block. ऐसा कुछ director's block या actor's block होता है?
Directors block.
Yeah.
Director's
You know,
block
when you
होने
get
से
on
क्या
set,
करेंगे?
Honestly, I want to
you
know
block scenes. So director का block हर scene में होता है. तो नहीं, but I don't think so. The wonderful thing about directing is I'm directing human beings. Starting with the actors, then the crew, whether it's the camera crew, sound, everyone. So they are all there to contribute and are contributing. So block का सवाल ही नहीं है. I'll have to block all of them.
Right.
They'll all have to be blocked for me to not have an idea. So I think it starts there, and because it's very much working as a team. So director के लिए I don't think, I mean actors I think can get tired, but I don't think
Actors block कभी-कभी होता है, पता है मेरे साथ कभी-कभी होता है. Very rarely, maybe, I don't know if I should say, but once in a while if you're very tired, or you're stuck in one position and then sometimes you can become like, it's nice to just kind of take a 2-minute walk or something, and I've seen it happen even when I'm directing to some actors, and I can make out that they're because sometimes you have to hold some positions, or be like, it's critical because the light is going, and it's nice to be able to just go out, be a little normal and come back.
Okay.
Yeah,
So today,
I don't know if you go through actors block.
Is there?
Not really. I think we're always thinking something to block the.
Good. Yeah, very good. It happens very rarely also to me.
So it doesn't
It's not
happen
like-
with you?
अब I know, मैंने कभी experience नहीं किया, ना कभी अपने आप को इतने अच्छे से observe किया. मतलब होता है. I'll agree with you कि आप कहीं बैठे होते, आप सोच रहे होते, and then suddenly you have to snap out of it, because बहुत कुछ सोच रहे होते हो regarding the scene, something, Yeah.
Today on this table, I have a male actor, I have a female actor, I have a male director, I have a female director. So I think almost most of the point of views are present here. So I want to know it from you guys. How do you guys look at the fixed work hours for actors debate? All of you, because different perspectives again.
Okay, who do you want to start with?
you have to speak twice. So you start
I
and finish.
speak once as both. It's the same human being.
Please go ahead.
Okay. I do think that ideally there should be humane hours for work across industry. Across all industry, the hours for work should be humane. I mean, it's not like we're, neurosurgeons dealing with a life and death situation.
Right.
right? Of course, within that, one has to look at, like, just like, one has to look at, for example, that the people who are financing the project do largely recover the money. Of course, that's also important. It's also therefore equally important to remember we're working with human beings, and they do need what streaming platforms call bio breaks from time to time. So these kind of things, one has to keep in mind all these factors. And, the unions are also so important across industries, I think. And I feel like, even actors should have like strong unions. Because many times, like a producer will say, no, but I'm doing this and I'm not doing that. You can just check with the other actor. But they are saying this, are they saying this to you? And we do it a lot informally. And I think these are good practices in the workplace.
For you, sir?
I think these are, look, as an overall case, you look at how labor is treated in India. Is it ideal? No. So are we an exception? So I think we're better than the ideal given the working conditions.
We're better than the ideal.
No, sorry, we're better than the average across India. If you look just at the vast, I mean, it's we're growing, and hopefully all these things improve for all Indians, that their working conditions improve. But within our industry, I think it's good headlines, but it's purely finely done. But especially when we're talking about actors who have reached a certain thing in their career, it's purely a commercial and contractual discussion. It's got nothing to do with the outside world. If, I personally hate shooting at night. So I try and make sure that we don't shoot at night. But similarly, you can either agree or not agree to do it, right? Just as long as you're transparent going in, I expect this from you. What gets maybe irritating or frustrating is you start off with something written down and now it's not happening like that. You're working 18-hour days.
Yeah.
But if you're told about it, that this is going to be brutal, can you handle it? And you can say, no, I don't have the time. I need time with family, or whatever the reason can be. It can be any reason. I think that should just be purely ironed out beforehand, and there will always be a little understanding. A producer will know that there's some emergency, and actor, they'll accommodate that. Or the other way around, there's a weather problem, so the actors will. That we've been doing for decades, but I think you guys need headlines, so you manufacture these into public discussions, and it's not really your job to do that.
I do feel it's important. As we often disagree, and we love discussions. We always have these discussions. And sorry, will you also just say? I'll just say quickly.
I have nothing to say. It's just that after becoming a parent, I think Sunday off mil jaye kafi.
Absolutely, everybody should get one day off, and we completely understand from time to time that, and we do make exceptions all the time. In every project, there are, it's supposed to be a 12-hour working day. Often there are times, not on this project, I have to say, it's been really good on this project that we've had very fixed working hours.
No, but that is
and
something.
Once in a while, if it does happen, we also accommodate. But I do think there should be more regulated working hours, one day in the week off. I think this leads to even more productive work overall.
Okay.
Yeah,
what do you
because
think, Surya?
इतना काम में घुस जाते हैं, तो अभी I'm shooting, right? So मुझे उनको याद दिलाना पड़ेगा कि 20th की दिवाली है. मेरा रैप है, but they were like, अरे we'll come back to Mumbai, we'll start a shoot from 18th. I was like, आप लोग दिवाली नहीं मना रहे हो? बोलते अच्छा दिवाली है.
तो शाम को लक्ष्मी पूजा ब्रेक में
22 से shoot शुरू हो रहा है. So they are so busy in it. Yeah.
So what do you think about it? Do you think there should be a
Sunday
off is enough for you?
For family.
Okay.
अभी क्या करोगे? बैलेट स्टेट संडे को मिलता है. अभी क्या?
Correct. One day in the week.
Yeah.
One day in the week should be off.
तो
Offices सिर्फ Sundays में मिलते हैं, schools, colleges सिर्फ Sundays में मिलते हैं, तो वो भी एक point है. But one day, every 6 days, you should ideally get a day off.
Right. I do agree
And a
with
12-hour
it, though.
turnaround.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that is how it is
Yes.
internationally.
Yes.
We'll get there.
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम.
Thank you so much, guys. It
Oh.
was pleasure talking to all three of you.
Thank you.
And I hope you had fun too. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank
we're
you,
totally
Shruti.
wound up. Thank you.
Thank you so much.